Welcome back. Now that we have finished our training, I'm giving you a AutoCAD challenge. So this is a small drawing which you have to create using all the commands which you have studied in Learning AutoCAD 2027. I have provided a PDF version of this file in the resources section of this video. I would urge you to download that file, print it, and then go ahead with creating this particular challenge. After you have finished your resolution and created this particular drawing, go back and check out the next video in which I have shown you how this project has to be actually made and see how close you are to the solution. So all the best and see you in the next video.